Good morning, guys. I'm just having my breakfast. Today we're having our little sardine dish with some vegetables. Normally I have eggs for breakfast. Sometimes I mix it up with sardines. There are days I'll actually have sardines twice a day. I like them that much. This recipe I have here, really simple. I have my sardines. I have the vegetables mixed in. I have tomatoes, mushrooms, onions, and some broccoli. It's real simple to mix up. So started out with my vegetables, chopped everything up. Heat up that frying pan, throw in some olive oil. Then we're going to drop in our vegetables. Cover that up for a couple of minutes, let everything soften up, drop in our sardines. Season it up with, I'm pretty simple, I just stick with the salt and pepper, but I'm not shy with the salt. And then we're gonna throw on some nutritional yeast. And I squeeze the juice of a whole lemon on there. And then we're just gonna cover that up, leave that on like a low to medium heat for a few minutes. Let everything get nice and hot. And then we're good to go. Healthy breakfast. The sardines that I use, it's a brand called King Oscar. Now, I never realized there was so many different types of sardines. And there's like 20 or 22 different types. This is a smaller sardine. And the one that I use from King Oscar is packed in water. The only other one I would get would be packed in extra virgin olive oil. Regardless of what brand, if you decide to try sardines, regardless of what brand you get, never ever get them packed in anything other than water or extra virgin olive oil. A lot of times you'll see them packed in soybean oil, canola oil. The absolute worst thing you could do. Those seed oils are poison, highly inflammatory. So you're really taking one of the healthiest foods on the planet and you're packing it in a can of poison. So you don't want to do that. So I just buy the ones in water, and I use my own olive oil to cook them up. All right. So, and then the other thing too is the nutritional yeast. I just started getting this a few months ago, and it's actually a good source, a very good source of B vitamins and fiber and protein. So 2 tablespoons are going to give you 8 grams of protein. So yeah, if you decide to try, and it has a slight cheese, I guess you would call it like a cheesy flavor. It's not overpowering at all, but it's real healthy. And like I said, it's got a bit of a flavor to it, and I enjoy it. But you'll see it where it's fortified with B vitamins. Some brands, it'll say fortified. Don't ever get the fortified. You just want to get plain nutritional yeast. There's plenty of B vitamins in it already, and you don't need them throwing in some type of synthetic stuff in there. All right. And that's about it. It's real simple. Like I said, some days I'll eat these. You know, the can of sardines is going to give you 14 grams of protein per can, a shit ton of omega-3s, very healthy. We need those fats. We don't need the fats that are in the seed oils. Like I said, the soybean oil and the canola oil, that you want to stay very far away from. So yeah, that's it. That's my breakfast for today. Washing it down with a little bit of green tea. Give that a try. And I'm going to finish up and get going. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Hope everybody has a good day, and I'm going to talk to you in the next one.